Welcome to Smutty Business. Subscribe right now. Click that bell. Yeah. Also, we have fixed things. Wanna go on with my subscribers and a big up on yourself, alright? Yeah, man. Bless up on a family. Welcome all new subscribers. If you are watching or subscribe yet, just do that right now. Don't forget, click that bell for all the notifications. Well, look on the topic right now, my people. We soon jump back into that full video. You really don't want to miss that situation. But first, let's kick things off right now with the up top boss. We see where I make some big moves, yeah, my people. And the persons are actually happy that TEEJAY left Ramesh camp. Wanna think about that, because right now TEEJAY career they on a level like no other, my people. And now recently we see him link up with French Montana, international superstar. So we can just expect bigger and greater things from TEEJAY. Big up Sharon Burke, yeah, my people, because you don't know, it really take a good team to bring out the most in our artists. And we see where TEEJAY really maximize on him potential right now. No comment, let me know what you really think about that. So we are moving on to the topic right now. RYGIN King, him have a new album, my people, Recovery. So make we hear what him say.
We know we doing this from the fucking heart. You don't know, dance about this thing, Recovery, you don't know. That one a weekend, that's what I say. Yeah man, pick up everybody with there to make it possible. That's what I say, everybody with the scene right now. Behind the scenes right now, in front of the camera, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, mad thing.
So we just have to wait and see if this one will surpass the previous album, Therapy. Yeah, my people. But on a comment, let me know what I really think about RYGIN King situation at this current time. So we are moving on in the topic right now, my people, and really and truly very disturbing footage being shown. I watched the video and I said, Jano, them really a texted upon the people, you know. Them really a texted upon the people, because few months ago, then few months before that, and few months before that. No, something alright, but watch out, all the skin off teeth, a joke thing. People, you wanna make a jump in a video right now.
Yeah, them have wrong address on the warrant. One a wrong address on the warrant, and them want torment people. That's all them want, torment people. Torment people. Wrong address, and this is what they're doing. They say them have a wrong address, and this is what they're doing. Wrong address, and this is what they're doing. What the sense for this? What the reason for this every single time? Wrong address, and them are do it. And she laugh like it's funny. Right?
Yeah, like, funny. Like, funny, people. And really and truly, we see how them deal with people. No respect no there, so. And if that are the case in which are the wrong address, that mean something can't right. Can't right. May have some more footage, but it get physical, and we know how YouTube policy go with them thing, them people. I can't really show too much of it, But see it there, I idiot thing them are going with. I want to comment and let me know what I really think about the situation right now. Yeah, my people. True believer.